meron ka bang parang foresight sa sarili mo? Like, pwede kang sumunod sa yapak ng Lolo Paquito Diaz mo, Lolo Eddie, na naging kontrabida later part of their career.
Doesn't matter. I
Yung
think,
may ganun ba?
lovely question, sir. I just don't want to compare myself to legends. And kailangan ko lang siguro isipin na it's my journey now and I have to enjoy it. Kailangan ko lang maging masaya at mahalin yung proseso, mahalin yung serye, project, or yung trabaho, or ito. Kailangan ko lang mahalin and everything will be alright. And it's a good process right now. I'm learning, I'm gonna get better. And yeah, I always wanted to play FPJ before. Never Lolo Paquito's roles though. I don't know. Kasi syempre pag bata ka, diba? Pero I always thought that si Lolo Paquito yung pinakamagaling umarte. Kasi sa totoong buhay, iba siya. Pero it's acting is subjective. Pero nung bata ako, I always wanted to play FPJ. So, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.